Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch from another bank to Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys 6 steps on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to open a Bluevine business checking account. Once approved, you're going to receive your new routing and account numbers. We've done a previous video on how to open a Bluevine account, so you can check that out. And then move on to step 2, that's to transfer your existing funds. Now, from your old bank, set up an ACH transfer or wire transfer, wire money into your Bluevine account using those numbers. Step 3 is to update incoming payments. Now log into platforms where you receive money like payroll providers, payment processors, or clients, and replace your old bank details with your Bluevine routing and account number. Step 4 is to update bill payments. In Bluevine, just go to bill pay and then add vendors, utilities, rent, or loan contacts. Then you're going to cancel those same payments in your old bank to prevent duplicates. Step 5 is to let a full billing cycle pass while monitoring both accounts. This ensures that no payments or deposits are missed. Step 6, now once everything runs smoothly, withdraw any remaining funds and close your old bank account. Your business is now fully switched over to Bluevine. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.